I remember the first time I tried launching a new project without the right hosting setup. It was chaos. The site was slow, the dashboard felt clunky, and every little change turned into an uphill battle. It wasn't just frustrating, it actually slowed me down and killed my motivation to keep pushing the project forward. That's why when I came across Hostinger Horizon, it immediately stood out as something different. It wasn't just another hosting service. It felt like a platform designed to empower creators, developers, and business owners to move fast without all the unnecessary friction. Hostinger Horizon is essentially Hostinger's take on the future of web hosting and cloud infrastructure. Instead of leaving you buried under complicated setups, Horizon gives you a streamlined, developer-friendly environment that's still accessible even if you're not super technical. It's built for people who want speed, reliability, and scalability, without the hassle that usually comes with those things. Imagine you're a startup founder, freelancer, or developer with a big idea. You don't want to waste weeks setting up servers and debugging hosting issues. With Horizon, you can spin up projects quickly, deploy them smoothly, and actually focus on building what matters. It's the difference between spending your nights wrestling with server errors and actually shipping something you're proud of. The strengths are clear. Horizon offers high performance with its modern cloud-based setup. It's backed by Hostinger's global infrastructure, and it integrates tools that make scaling much less painful. Plus, the interface is simple enough that you don't need to be an engineer to make sense of it. The downside? It's still a relatively new platform, so while it's growing fast, some advanced features you'd expect from older enterprise platforms may not be as fully developed yet. But for most creators and businesses, the balance of power and simplicity makes it a huge win. At the end of the day, Hostinger Horizon isn't just hosting, it's a foundation for ideas. Whether you're launching a new business, building client sites, or experimenting with your next project, it's designed to help you move faster and stress less. If you've ever felt held back by slow hosting or clunky platforms, Horizon is worth a serious look, because sometimes the biggest difference in your success isn't just your idea, it's the platform you build it on.